In my last video, which I urge you to go watch, I explained how affiliate marketing actually fits into Facebook monetization and why posting links everywhere doesn't work the way that people think that it does. Well, not anymore. But there's a secret way that you can make money with your affiliate link without spamming. I explained it in that video that I mentioned, but in this video, I want to take it one step further and show you what this looks like in real life. Because once you understand the strategy, the next question is sorry, something on my eyes. The next question is always the same. What do I actually post? I'm about to share that with you right now. And it is not in theory either, not in vague terms, but on a real Facebook profile, in real Facebook groups, and on a real Facebook page. So let me walk you through how I approach this and how I decide what goes where. When I want to promote an affiliate product, now listen up. I don't start by asking myself, where can I drop this link? No. I start by asking, where does this product naturally belong in a conversation? That question alone changes everything. Let's say that I wanted to promote a travel related product like a noise cancelling headphone. Instead of posting a link to the headphone and hoping for the best, I look at where people are already talking about the problem that the product solves. Do you see where I'm going with this? In a travel group, I might post something as simple as this. Be honest. How do you travel? No, to be honest, do you travel with noise cancelling headphones or do you just deal with airport noise? That post doesn't sell anything directly, but it does spark conversation because it's a question that I posed, and people will comment on their experience. They're going to share that with the in the comment section, and they're going to tag their friends too. And some of them will click your profile to see who you are. When they do that, they land on your personal Facebook profile or Facebook page where there's already a post featuring the headphones with the affiliate links. That's where you put it. You didn't have to force the link into the group. You let curiosity do the work for you. That's the pattern that I repeat across any niche. On my personal profile, my posts are more story driven. This is where I talk about my experience, what I've tried, excuse me, what worked and what didn't, and why something made my life easier. It's like a mini review. Excuse me. If I'm posting an affiliate product, I'm very clear, but I'm also very human. I'll say something like, I didn't realize how much this mattered until I traveled without it. That kind of post feels like a subtle recommendation, not a pitch for a link promotion. On my Facebook page, I'm more direct. This is where affiliate links belong. I'm sorry, I'm coughing. Pages are designed for recommendations. So here on my page, I'll post a product. I'll explain who it's for, who it's not for, and why I'm sharing it. This is where I expect clicks, not conversations. Groups are different though. Groups are never about selling. Groups are about showing up consistently, being helpful, providing value, and becoming familiar to the group and for people to be familiar with you. In groups, I comment a lot more than I post. And when I do post, it's usually a question, a scenario, or a relatable moment. For example, instead of posting a link to a kitchen gadget, I might ask, what's one kitchen tool you didn't think you needed, but now you use all the time? That post invites answers. People share, and if someone asks me directly what I use, I'll respond genuinely and let them decide if they want to check my profile or not. I will even go as far as to say something like, I was looking for a good blender to make my daily smoothies because the one I used before just wasn't ideal. I'm glad I found this one. And you would actually state the brand, the one that you found, and provide an image as well. And then you would ask in the same text, has anyone ever in the same post, has anyone ever used it before? This same approach works for health, caregiving, content creation, and pretty much any niche. If I'm promoting something related to diabetes or wellness, for example, I don't start with a product. I start with the habit, the struggle, or the frustration that people already feel and want answers and solutions for. I might ask something like, what's been harder to manage for you lately? Is it sugar cravings or consistency? That question alone opens the door to conversation and engagement. And conversation is what leads people back to you, to your personal profile. I hope you're getting value from this video so far, but wait until you get your hands on my digital income workshop bundle. It goes deeper into how you can monetize your YouTube channel, Facebook page, or other platforms. In the bundle, I give you the step-by-step blueprint that I have used myself to experience success online outside of Google AdSense. Go grab it now from the link in the description. You won't be disappointed. I promise. Another important part of this process is understanding, we're moving on now, is understanding that one product should never rely on one product should never rely on one post. That's one of the biggest mistakes people make. They post once, it doesn't perform well, and they assume affiliate marketing doesn't work. But affiliate marketing on Facebook works through repetition and familiarity, not just one-off post. The same product can show up as a question in a group, a Facebook group, a story on your profile, a direct recommendation on your Facebook page, a short reel, and even a comment on someone else's post where the problem comes up naturally. That's not being spammy. That's being present and providing the solution. Something else I want to point out is where I place my links strategically. Sometimes the link is in the post, if it is on my personal profile page or my Facebook page or my Facebook group, because I do have one. Sometimes it's in the comment section, if it is a group post or personal profile page. Sometimes it's pinned on my Facebook page. Sometimes it's featured on my personal profile. The point is, the link is always available, but it shouldn't be forced. People who want it will find it. And here's something that helped me a lot once I noticed it. Facebook already tells you what people are interested in. If you go into your professional dashboard, click on Content at the top, then Inspiration Hub below, you're going to see trending topics. These topics are a goldmine. They tell you what people are already engaging with right now on Facebook. Facebook even provides you with hashtags that are trending. Use those to get noticed, and Facebook will push your content when you use their recommended hashtags and topics. When you connect those trending topics to affiliate products that make sense, you are not guessing anymore. You are aligning with what's already working. And that's where the success is. I also want to talk about patience. That's the elephant in the room. Let's go there, because this part matters more than most people admit. Affiliate marketing on Facebook is not instant money. It's not a viral overnight success. It's a trust-based income opportunity, and you need to understand. People notice consistency before they buy from you. They notice the tone you have. They notice whether you show up even when you're not selling anything. And once they trust you, then your recommendations are going to feel natural to them. That's why I don't stress about posting affiliate links every day. I used to, but I don't anymore. I focus on posting value consistently. The monetization happens quietly in the background. That's how it works. Your Facebook profile builds trust, and that's what you should start out with. Your Facebook page will house the links, the affiliate links. The group participation is going to build familiarity. Once I understood that flow, everything became easier for me, and it will for you. I also want to say this clearly. You don't need a massive following to make this work. You don't need viral posts either. You don't need to be everywhere. No, you need relevance, clarity, and consistency. If you're already posting on Facebook and getting engagement, you are not behind. You're closer than you think. Trust me, you are. In my next video, I'm going to go even deeper into how I decide which products to promote and which ones I don't, because that part is just as important as what you post. If this video helped you in any way to see that affiliate marketing on Facebook is, is palpable, you can do it. And if you see it in a different light, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video. And don't forget to grab my digital income workshop bundle and my free guide that I'm giving away today called 7 Juicy Ways to Monetize Your Facebook channel, your YouTube channel without AdSense. Both are linked below in the description and they will help you put this into action faster. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.